Our Mad Science Friday finales are sponsored by Dodge City Paintball. Well, it is time to wrap up the week at the Mad Science Lab.
Yeah, now with Mother's Day less than 48 hours away, don't panic, because our favorite mad scientists have a solution for all you last-minute gift shoppers.
Check it out.
Hey, do you know what's happening this Sunday?
Yes, it is the Mother's Day.
Not only that, it's my birthday.
Your birthday's on Mother's Day?
I was born on Mother's Day, yes. But that's a long, long time ago in a state far, far away. But we're going to teach you how to make your very own Mother's Day flower for your mom.
Oh,
okay?
Splendid.
Splendid. So this is what you do. You get some tissue paper, different colors, and you stack them all up. And then you cut it into sections like this, okay? So I've got 4 or 5 sheets here, and then I'm going to make it into an accordion fold.
Ah, yes.
Which means I fold it down and then flip it over and fold it down again.
My brother plays the accordion.
And
I prefer the piano.
And then fold it back. Did you know that I played the piano when I was your age? In fact, I heard that I was pretty well, but pretty good at it, but I didn't like it. I should have stayed with it.
Oh.
Okay, so then do it with the other one.
If you stayed with it, you wouldn't be with me wearing a dog mask flipping paper.
That's true. That's true. But I heard that I was a very good Mother's Day present, and my mom really appreciated me being born on Mother's Day. Oh.
Nice.
Another fun fact, my oldest son was also born on my birthday. Yeah, it's true.
So you have
Okay.
So you have to celebrate 3 events.
I'm going to take this and fold it in half like that. Make a little loop. Then I'm going to fold one of these up like that, so I have a little point there. Then fold another one up like that, so I have a point there. So I've got a loop and 2 points. And the reason we're doing that, we're going to put this right across here like this, okay? And then we're going to put the other one next to it, right next to it like that. Like that, okay?
I wasn't paying attention.
I know, just like that right there. Don't worry about it. And then we're going to take this, and we're going to fold this over because this is going to be the stem. And we're going to twist all these at the bottom. See these 3 sticking up there? We're going to twist all these around in a circle like this.
Ah,
okay?
Yes.
And then that's our stem. And then we're going to fluff these out because it doesn't look like a flower yet. We're going to fluff these out just like that. And then I'm going to pull this top one up and then the next one up. Just individual ones, okay, and you can see it's starting to look like a flower.
Ah, yes.
And the beauty of that right there in the middle, not only is it a flower, but it's a flower with the stamen and the pistil right there in the middle. So that looks like a proper flower. And then we take the next one and fluff it up as well. So I've got light green, like a pale green, and then a pale yellow. And then you keep doing that around and keep doing that around. And then I'm going to pull up the pink there as well because I had pink on one side and yellow on the other side. And then you keep doing that until you get them all pulled up except the last one. And the last one you're going to pull down, okay? The last one you're going to pull down. Now, there you have a nice flower for your mom for Mother's Day. Just like that. There you go. How cool is that? Now, if you want to do this, tissue paper, Chanel stems. Yours not finished yet, but that's okay.
No, it's great.
And give that to your mom for Mother's Day from the dogs at Mad Science. Can't wait to see you next time right here on Living Oklahoma.
Woof, woof.
Listen, I think Miles had a different type of flower. That's why his came out so different.
Just beautiful, though.
Right. There's
all
roses,
flowers
there's
are
tulips.
gorgeous.
Yeah.
There's all kinds, and Mom will love them all.
It's the thought that counts.
Yes. We'll be back again next Monday around 10:45 a.m. with another Mad Science Monday experiment. You can also visit okcmadscience.org for more STEM fun.
And here's more information about our Mad Science sponsor, Dodge City Paintball. They are a family and veteran-owned facility. Their goal is to help make family outings enjoyable and memorable.
You can find them at 16425 Northwest 150th Street in Yukon. Their number, 405-373-3745. Check them out online at dodgecitypaintball.com.